Right guys, in this bowl, this is for short pastry. Basically all it is flour, marg, butter and shortening. And literally now we're just going to crumb that up. See you in a bit. Right guys, everything's in, slow speed. Now all we're doing is to make it a nice fine crumb. We don't want to turn it into a paste. We just want it to be fairly fine. Now that's ready. And literally this is water and sugar. Just mix it round and then gently and it goes. You can see it slowly mixing into like a little dough. Just get your hand in there. Get off the bottom. It's not far away now. I know I hear some people, they'll knock them on to second speed just to mix it, but what you don't want it to do is turn it into like a bread dough. It's a pastry, not a bread. It's almost there, literally. In fact, nice. That's how it should be. If it's not like that, it ain't no good. See you in a bit. Right, these are the mince pie shells. I've made these up earlier, and literally speaking, we're now going to fill them. Ready for the short pastry. This mince meat I've made up earlier. It's my own recipe. It's got a lot of things in there that you wouldn't normally find in a mince pie. Including some spirit. And not methylated spirits, by the way. I'll come back to that later. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you my next stage. This is actually short mince pies. Get your pastry. So you've seen this hundreds of times. Flour underneath, just turn it round. That's it. to the pies, you want about 2 mil, give or take. Little tip, flare the cutter. Literally speaking, pick up your hands or a knife and just place them onto your pies. Like that. Always, guys, when you've got the bits over, add them into the fresh part. There you go. A bit left. Piece now. There underneath. Get your knife underneath. There your cutter. And there we go. Go. Right, baking. Pop the chocolate chip cookies in the top. 20-25 minutes for the shortbread and about 15 minutes for all the rest. Just a bit. Right, guys. Mince pies are ready. Just ready. As soon as they come out of the oven, caster sugar on the top.